In this demo, we will automate email replies using AI. The workflow starts with a Gmail trigger that detects incoming emails. We extract the sender, subject, and email content from the trigger output. This data is passed to the AI model to generate a professional reply. The AI reads the email, understands the content, and creates a structured response. Next, we use the Gmail node to send the reply back to the sender automatically. The subject is reused. And the AI-generated content is sent as the message. When we execute the workflow, the system reads the email and replies instantly. This demonstrates a complete automation flow, from receiving an email to sending a response using AI. This is how we can build intelligent email automation systems using N8n.